Let me show you how to protect your account so that they will not end up taking your videos and then reporting you to YouTube, and then YouTube will delete your YouTube channel or demonetize your YouTube channel. So let's start and pay attention. Go to your YouTube studio and click on copyright. Once you click on copyright, you will see all of the content that people has downloaded and personally upload on their channel, or the one that YouTube has point out for you that they are matching content, right? You can see the old removal requests that I have here. They're already resolved. Message nothing and archive nothing as well. Right now, if you go back to March, you will see all of this content. You can see all these people there. Even some persons have even 3.5k, 6.5k subscribers, and they downloaded my content directly and they uploaded on their end. And one of the reasons why YouTube had to also notify me this is because, number one, I already have a watermark, and secondly, these are my contents, right? You know, when messaging one time, I remember when I uploaded her videos and people downloaded my content and then they ended up reporting my channel got demonetized because of that. So I've learned from my mistake. So that is why I do not joke when I see content matching like this, you understand, because I'm scared now. I need to protect myself. Now, after clicking and taking all of those content, you click on removal request. It will take you to this page now where you are going to be seeing the first thing here is video remover. Then you're going to see all the videos just as you guys are seeing here. Now, after seeing the video, now you're going to scroll down. You're going to be seeing copyright owner, which is number 2 page now. And for the active party, I have to put myself because my channel. Copyright owner's name, I have to put Vibe with Sona, my channel name. Phone number, I have to put my phone number, and then my primary email is there already. Secondary email is optional, so I do not put secondary email. Now, for relationship to copyright owner, I'm going to go ahead to put I film, I edit, and I also uploaded my videos. They are my content. So this is me just typing that, as you guys can see here. See guys, it is not a bad thing for someone to use your video. It simply means they even love you for them to use it, but you have to play safe. Because I've learned from my mistake, that is why I don't joke when I see copyright content, you understand. So you to go and check your own. That's why you to say create your own content, you understand. Now, after that, you'll see country, put your country address. You put the address where you stay. City, Port Harcourt. I put my city. State, I put River State, and I have to put my zip code that is close to where I stay as well. Then removal request. This is what I do because this one is very sensitive. I always make sure I send a 7 days notice, because once I send a 7 days notice, the uploader will get the notification and YouTube will allow the uploader to remove the video by themselves, and of which it simply means that they will not get a copyright strike. But if I do a standard request remover now, it simply means YouTube will take the video down immediately and strike the channel, and that's what I don't want for them. Because yes, I don't want to give them a standard remover. I just give a 7 days notice. So once you see it, you just do the needful, and then your channel is still on the safe side. Now, that is why I will go ahead and take schedule for that 7 days. Then right now, the legal requirements is very important. This is where you have to read. I have a good faith belief that the use of this material in this manner complaint is not authorized by the copyright owner, it is agent or lawful. In fact, you have to read these 3 boxes, right? Now, after reading these 3 boxes, because I don't need to start reading for you one after the other, you go ahead and tick the boxes. Now, once you go ahead and tick the boxes, the last thing for you to do now is your signature. Now, you're going to put your signature exactly how it is on the document you use in verifying your YouTube channel, or the document you use in verifying your Google AdSense for YouTube to be paying the money directly to your account. So this is exactly how my name is. After that, I go ahead and click on submit, and that's it. The good part of this is anytime you're coming back, right, YouTube will not always say you should start entering all of those things from scratch. Those things are automatically there. So once you have any other remover or you have any other match and you want to remove, you just go ahead and just do the same thing. The only thing that is not going to be there is your signature, right? Now you can see all in progress because YouTube sends them 7 days notification. You can see here all they are in progress. Now once they see it, they will remove the video by themselves, which is the uploader, and their channel will be saved. But after 7 days, if they don't, YouTube will definitely take down. So if you're giving them copyright claim, do ensure to use that 7 days on, okay? So anyways, I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I will say bye and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I love you. Mwah.